know how typing in a Word document is extremely easy, but we explored only a few options. In Word, all we have to do is select a text style, choose the required font size and start typing. There are a few more options in the font group. We have these three buttons: bold, italics and underline. The bold option is used to make the text that we type bold. Click on bold button. When we click the bold button, the button is highlighted with a square box, which is an indication that the bold feature is active. Now when we type any text, you will notice that the text is bold. We can even activate the bold command using a keyboard shortcut. Just press Ctrl B. This acts as a toggle. When you press Ctrl B again, the bold command becomes active again. Next to bold is the italics command. Click on the italics icon. Now when we type text, you will notice that the text is italicized. The keyboard shortcut for activating or deactivating this command is Ctrl I. In case you ever need to underline a text while typing, the underline command of Word can be useful. This button here activates the underline command. Click on the button. Now when we type the text, you will notice a line is drawn below the text that we are typing. We can even change the type of line that is used to underline the text. Just click on this drop-down arrow and you will see a list of options. You can choose any one of these options. The type that you choose becomes the default option. We can format text after we have entered the text as well. Let's see how. Scroll down. Let's convert these first few lines to bold text. Select these lines and press Ctrl B. You can see that the highlighted text has become bold. This is called the noun-verb approach. When we select a group of text, the selected text becomes a noun and the action that we are going to perform on the selected group of text is called verb. Let's convert the group of selected text to normal text. Click on the bold icon in the fonts group. This is the action that we performed. Hence, it is called the verb. Let's see a few more formatting options. We can add text effect to a group of selected text. Select few lines of text. In the font group, this button here is to apply text effect. Click on the button. This will open a menu. We have a few options here. When we move our mouse pointer over the various options, we get a live preview. Let's select this option. You can see that the text effect has been added to the selected group of text. You can even see the reflection of the formatted text. In case you need to delete the formatting applied to the text, select the text from which we want to delete the formatting. Click on the Clear Formatting button. This will delete the formatting applied to the text. Other than predefined effects, Word also gives us a few more options to apply effects to a text. First, select the text. Click on the Text Effect drop-down menu. We can change the shadow, reflection, and even add glow. To get a preview of how the text will look, just take your mouse pointer over the various options. To close the menu, just click anywhere on the page. By default, the color of the text in a Word document is black, but we can change the color of the text as well. This button here is used to change the color of the text. Take your mouse pointer over this button. This button is divided into two parts. If you click on this part, where A is written with a red band below it, red color will be applied to the selected group of text. To get the entire color palette, Click on the down arrow. Here we have a wide range of options to choose from. Let's choose this green color. The text becomes green in color, and also notice that the red band is replaced by a green band. So the color we last used becomes the default color. The next method is to arrow and choose the red color from the palette. Now when we type, the text will appear red in color. In this way, we can control the font color. Sometimes we may want to shift the text from upper to lowercase or vice versa. When we require to do this type of an operation, we can use the change case option. First, we have to select a few lines. Click on this button in the Fonts group. This will open a menu. Choose the uppercase option. You can see that the text is converted into uppercase text. To convert the text back to lowercase, keep the text selected. Click on the Change Case button and choose the lowercase option. Let's see what the next option is. Click on the Change Case button. Click on Sentence Case. The Sentence Case option is used when we want the sentences to start with the first letter in capital. Click on the Change Case button. The next option is Capitalize Each Word option. Click on it. This will capitalize the first letter of each word. Let's look at the next option. Select Text. Click on the drop-down menu. Toggle Case option switches letters which are in lowercase to uppercase and vice versa. This concludes our tutorial on writing in Word.